What's good, people? It's your boy Fadlan, aka Ninja T. That's FADLANEFFENDI. Because I want to promote my LinkedIn, and I should do. It is currently 1:37 p.m. UK time, Thursday, the 28th of September 2023. It's a legendary day because Shuriken Sounds, which is a subsidiary of Blockchain Sensei, a company that focuses on positioning artists in Web3 and providing creative AI solutions and education, amongst a plethora of other creative services that utilize the blockchain and AI. Anyway, we're doing our third event called Metaphysical, and yet again, the Financial Navigator is unable to attend. So something's happened in the Matrix. But yeah, we're gonna do a quick, technically speaking. I'm gonna try to give Mr. Alex Codlin, aka Financial Navigator, as much spotlight as possible, as I need to jump off this call in 20 minutes because of how the studio is being used. We're keeping it raw. I've come out of the shower. Yes, this is my shower head. I missed a notification. I was supposed to record this with Alex about 20 minutes ago, but yeah, this is long overdue. This is the legend, the man himself. Some say that he's got friends in high places. Some say he's just a geezer. He's crypto crazy. Financial Navigator Alex Codlin. How are you, sir?
I'm good,
Long
thank you.
time community member of Blockchain Sensei and much valued. Um, um, how would I say? Much valuable. Like I value your expertise. I like your second
Thank you.
opinions and calls.
Good.
But
I
yeah,
mean,
tell
to
me
be
what
honest,
you
I'll
know,
just
man.
say I'm an average Joe, really. I'm nothing special. It's all self-taught, have no financial background. So obviously nothing here is financial advice because we're not financial advisors.
No,
And
no,
it's
no.
just,
Oh,
you
in
got to do
fact,
your
let's let's
disclaimer.
do let's do the disclaimer. In fact, but what we'll do is we'll go back to back. Can you see? We'll wrap it, not necessarily in rhyme, but we'll go back to back. Right? Can you see it?
Not yet. Yeah, now I can.
Okay, let's go. Disclaimer: terms and conditions.
All content is for education, information, and entertainment purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice or a recommendation to buy, sell, hold any asset or place any trades.
Please always do your own research. Our content is intended and should only be used for informational and or entertainment purposes use only. It is very important to do your own analysis before making any investments, which should be based on your own individual circumstances. I'm not a multi-billionaire like Financial Navigator. Look where he is. He's in one of 87 luxurious mansions. Why else would we be doing a collaboration with this crazy guy on the internet?
I wish, mate, I wish that was the case. You should always take independent professional advice from a professional advisor.
Or independently research and verify all and any information you may find in this show or any show on the internet that you may wish to rely upon whether you wish to make an investment decision or otherwise.
All investments come with risk. Please do your own research.
Neither myself, nor Mr. Harding, nor Financial Navigator, nor anybody on the Blockchain Sensei team since our inception up until the 28th of September 2023 have ever been and do not intend to be perceived or received as financial advisors and or professional accountants. However, we're working in collaboration with several accredited financial advisors and or crypto accountants. And finally,
If you're unable to mitigate your risk, then please contact us immediately so we can refer you to an accredited financial advisor.
there we go. The stage, sir, is yours. I have never actually seen you do any TA, so I'm quite
I
excited
am by
myself.
no means a TA specialist. I keep it very basic. Let me
What's
just
going
share
on
my
in the markets and your
screen.
opinions, sir?
Where's the... Why can't I get this to share? You got to turn some settings on or something.
Um, all I know, with regards to my laptop is that I just go to Zoom and then I put the cursor in the middle and then it'll say share screen in green. What I'll do, I'll send you a WhatsApp right now.
Oh,
One
there we
sec,
go. Yeah, I
wait.
got it. No, I got
You
it.
got it, yeah? Okay.
Can you see?
Yes. Take it away, my friend. Take it away.
Right. So I don't know for the people that follow my page, probably not many. I'm just going to cover basically what I've been talking about. I've created a little technically speaking list here just to go over quickly. I mentioned Sweatcoin on the 9th of August, I think it was. I put my post out. And as you can see, since then, it's had a considerable move due to their launch in America. I think it's about 43% move current.
All right,
Um,
all right.
so that's something just to keep your eye on. I mean, by all means, I think this is going to do very well. Next bull market, this is a competitor. So I don't know if you know Steppen, the one on the Solana chain.
Yeah, with the
Um,
NFT trainers and that.
yeah. So they've just kind of released their own like sort of NFT trousers slash shoes, and you can compete with your friends for sweat. They also give you free videos and that if you watch them daily, you get free sweat and that. There's only a certain amount of exchanges you can buy it on, but that is something just to watch. There's not much data there to look at, to be honest.
Yeah, because it was only released in the public market in recent-ish times.
Yeah, I mean that's another thing why I'm considerably bullish on it. It wasn't released during a bull market; it was released in the bear, so it wasn't going to have that much attention brought to it. I mean, they already have a massive user base. I think I want to say it's over 130 million users worldwide already. Um, but
Wait, can you just 100% check that? I need to know that fact. Could you just find the amount of users this Sweatcoin has,
it's on.
especially active users?
Can you see my page still?
I can only see Trading View, but I really want that stat.
Right,
Can't
so if you
lie.
go to their Twitter,
Because I always think of
yeah,
if a company's
130
got a
mil
big
plus
stack.
users.
Okay, so let's just compare that against the human population. 1 second.
Can you
So
see that
it
on my
would be
screen?
I can see the sweat economy. So we do.
So that says
So
130 mil plus users in Web 2. It was the fastest chain to have more than 2 million wallets created on the near protocol as well.
yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, that's a lot of users. That's over
Yeah.
1 in 80 people.
Yeah. I mean, I think you've got it as well. I think I've mentioned this to you before.
Yeah, I've not been active though. Can't lie.
But even if you get into steps and it's counting it in the background, isn't it? So it's something you can just set up and forget, sort of thing.
100%.
So
All
the other
right.
ones I've been
What else
looking
you
at, I
got?
mean, I did a post on recently was VeChain as well. I mean, again, I like to compare it to the BTC chart. And as
Yeah,
you can
same.
see,
To,
since,
today I took a near to BTC trade. I risked
yeah,
I risked 1% of my Bitcoin into near
nice.
today. Yeah. And then I've even got a 1% Bitcoin set aside in a buy order if the near crashes further.
Yeah,
No fear. No
yeah.
fear.
So that VeChain again, Bitcoin, as you can see, I mean, over the last 2 weeks, this is the weekly chart since June has been higher lows, higher highs, sorry.
Wait, can
But
can can you just get me a percentage read from here to here?
35,
And when did this happen? Was that May?
June 5th, or the week
Damn,
of the June 5th. So if we go to the daily, that
that would
was
have been a good
on
Bitcoin long.
June the 9th, June the 9th to be exact.
That's wild.
It's about 40%. So these are because we're only going through this reasonably quickly. I'm not going to go too deep into anything, but the ones I've been watching against BTC are the ones that are creating high lows, because obviously they're the ones that are looking to.
Are you a fan of swapping your Bitcoin into alts and then back into Bitcoin?
Not really. I mean, by all means,
Get on
I
it,
think it's
lad.
worth
Get on
doing.
it. Diversify. It's
Well,
fun.
by all means, I think it's worth doing. But I mean, like from my perspective, because I've got constant cash flow, I don't see the point in me risking
Sorry,
BTC.
sorry. We're not all billionaires. You got a constant cash flow. It's always coming in,
I
is
just
it?
don't think it's worth me risking
No
it.
dry period. Now
Uh,
tell them what you do for a day job because you're quite public about it.
I'm an
Posted a nice
electrical
video
engineer.
today.
I'm an
Yeah,
electrical engineer, so it's nothing related to finance at all. As of recently, I've been doing a lot of like my little private jobs. So getting them into at the weekends, basically 80% of that money for me is straight into the market. It doesn't,
you put 80% of your salary into the market.
yeah, from the
Right.
side jobs, and
Round of
then
applause, please.
even
Round of
even
applause,
I mean,
please.
even from my salary, because my outgoings are very little, I'm still lucky enough to be living at home with my parents. I mean, 60% of my working salary is also going straight into the market. So it's nothing that just gets laid around for a while. It's just in. So another one was XRP against BTC, as you can see from March the 18th, has again had higher lows. So, I mean, a lot of people slay XRP. You've also got a lot of people that are XRP only. But technically, it's showing higher lows, so it's showing strength against BTC, and I think it's probably primed to perform well into the next bull. I mean, Algorand, I'm quite bullish on, but as you can see, it's been getting absolutely slaughtered against BTC. Just constant lower lows. But I mean, I'm picking it up here just because the risk to reward, I think, is
Yo,
there.
one sec.
Yo,
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good, thank you. Yourself?
Yeah, I'm good, thanks. Great stuff. Me and Ninja were actually looking at ALGO LINK just last night.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looked
So
like it was in a
I
good
mean,
position. Of course, it's
I did
not
an
financial
Algorand deep
advice.
dive. Sorry, say that again.
No, we were just echoing what you just said, that it was looking like it was in quite a good position. But of course, this isn't financial advice.
No. What would we know?
Great stuff. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you, mate. So Algorand one, I've done a deep dive on my page as well. I
By the
think
way,
Algorand's position
that's
pretty.
that's Jeremiah Johnson, who is the head of AI and chief technical officer of Shuriken Sounds and
Oh,
technical analysis enthusiast.
very nice.
We've already done one.
Love that. So I mean, I mean, if you watch the game as well, as probably most of your followers do, Michael was talking about Unity last week. Algorand have actually got a partnership with Unity to do with some of their gaming stuff, which I didn't actually know until watching the game, which Michael brought up. Then Joe, I think, is another one, which is on the Avalanche blockchain.
What
Again,
the hell is Joe? I don't know anything about this. Please enlighten.
it's an automated market maker on the Avalanche.
Don't make me
It sells
convert.
big.
Don't make me FOMO 1% Bitcoin into this.
I've got a document I can send you on Joe.
Can you break down the fundamentals or share anything you're comfortable with?
I can't off the top of my head because it's all in a document, and I'm not sure I can put the document out there on the internet. But
Uh,
I can send you the document after the call, and you can have a look over it, see what you
appreciate it.
think. It also covers a lot of other tokens, but I think Joe's the one that I've been following the most and think has the most upside for next bull run. Another one a lot of people have been slating is Sol.
Solana, yeah.
Yeah. Again, since December 2022 has had higher lows, higher highs,
Listen,
sorry.
I got quite a lot of Solana for $7,
Swapping it up.
and then I did a 3x on it in the bear market.
Love that. That's what
Yeah.
you want. So again, I mean, the basics here for me when I'm looking at altcoins to be stacking is ones that are showing strength against BTC for the
Yes,
run.
all coins that show strength against Bitcoin.
They're the ones I personally are looking at to keep adding to. I mean, even like to go to the extent of Algorand of not showing any strength, the fundamentals are still there. So if one isn't showing it on the charts wise, it's good to look into it to see if it's actually showing in the background. The team is still building, signing partnerships. I mean, another one I think a lot of people don't talk about enough is HBAR as well. I mean,
I
from
hear
the
a lot
low,
of people talk about it.
I mean, my Twitter has just been filled with Link the last week. I mean, from the lows, it's up 21% against BTC.
No,
So again, that's another one I'll be looking to get into. And then the Link chart, as everyone keeps looking at it. I mean, you kind of got an inverse head and shoulders there going on the daily. Where's the fucking brush?
I'm eating some amazing chicken and chips right now, I can't lie.
No, it's all right.
Do you know what I love? I
Going
love
mad.
eating chicken and chips, but where the chips are like fish and chip chips. Do you know what I mean? The fish and chip chips.
Yeah.
Not the fries.
I
It's
don't
like,
know. I don't eat chips.
you know,
No.
you mean potatoes?
Yeah, I don't eat any potatoes.
Are you English?
Yeah.
How
I won't
how
go
are you
into
living
why
potato?
because it's a long story.
All right.
No,
What was going to relate it to crypto?
not related to crypto. I mean, to be fair, if you look at this link chart, this head and shoulders against BTC is showing signs. I'd probably look for some sort of volume as well as like a weekly close above.
Jesus.
I think if you go into we'll have a look at the against the dollar as well. I think it broke its
What a sniper.
downtrend at the minute. As you can see here, I mean, if we have this weekly close here, that's showing quite strong signs of strength, also closing above the 50-day EMA at current price. I mean, personally, I'd be waiting for a weekly candle rather than a daily above the 8443 level before I then say maybe we're off to the races. I mean, other than that, they're the ones I'm really focusing on at the minute.
So when you jump on the charts, what's the first thing you look at?
BTC, the dominance, and also USTD dominance.
So you're a proper crypto boy, yeah? Believe it or not, the first 10 things I look at is not crypto.
DXY.
I look at SIXRE. That's the first chart I look at. Add
What's
that
that?
to your watch list, because this is the first chart that I look at before anything.
What's
This
it
is
called?
like, for lack of better words, real estate holdings in the S&P 500, and it's going all yeah, SIXRE. I'm a macro sniper. Check this, right? Look, look what's just happened. It's just bled to the October 2022 low,
Yeah. Rebound.
right?
So what does this include? Just real estate? Is this US based or global?
Real estate, like real estate holdings in the S&P 500. For
Oh,
lack of
right,
better
okay.
words, something along those lines. But the second chart I look at is the VT.
BT.
No,
This top
no,
one
V,
here.
Vanguard, V for Vanguard.
Oh, VT.
Yeah, yeah. So this is a mad secret, right? Whatever the price of the VT is approximately the $1 trillion that are in the stock market. Historically, the price of the VT and the historical global stock valuation pretty much matches up almost one for one.
Yeah. I mean,
So
the other ones I like to look at are in the commodities. I mean, I always flick through energy at the minute because they're my best trades at the moment, oil and nat gas. I think
it's interesting because I don't touch anything outside of tech stock. I don't feel like I understand.
I don't think you could ignore energy in this space at the minute. I think I've been in energy since about 85, I think it is my entry point.
Yeah.
So that's still going, chugging along nice. I still think Nat Gas, Nat Gas is very difficult to trade. And all the people I listen to, specialist wise, are like, oh, can't touch it. There's no point. But I still think if we get a cold snap this winter in Europe, we're going to see something very similar to what happened last year. I think we could easily be going back up to the $6 mark.
Are you day trading, or are you literally just
Oh no! So
buying
see,
and
that's the
holding?
thing. Like, I'm not a day trader. Well, I don't know what you would class it. I would class it as short-term trades. I'll play like a month to 6 months sort of thing.
So you're like me. You're like a spot swinger.
Yeah, kind of. I mean, I dabble with a little bit of day trading on like a Bybit account, but other than that, within crypto, literally nothing else. It's more like positions of a month to 6 months sort of thing. And I think over the next
You ever
6 months,
short the
especially
market?
going into the winter, you're looking at Nat Gas hitting some decent levels again.
Do you ever short the market? I want to get into shorting, man.
I kind of short the market, although I have been talking to some people in my network that I'm kind of debating not bothering shorting anymore and just being on the buy side.
It's a lot less stress.
It is a lot less stress. They haven't got to worry about much. I mean, the other great one I was looking at commodities wise is sugar at the minute. Potentially a double top in. So if you're looking to short, wait for a close below that level there, and probably in the money for a bit. What was the other one? Sugar.
What a crazy guy. Not shorting sugar.
Do you want to see?
I didn't even think about that.
Oh, that was it. DBA. Sorry, let me go back to DBA quick. So there was a Instagram page called Finance Fergie. I don't think he's got access to his account now. He lost it. He's got like 60K followers.
Oh no.
Yeah, not good. But on there, he did like a stock picking thing. So everyone was picking stocks. I can't remember when this was. I want to say it was probably around July last year, maybe even April this year. But I didn't see anyone in the comments putting DBA, agricultural ETF. Everyone at the time was going Nvidia or like Meta, just going with the tech stocks.
Mm-hmm.
And I think this on a bigger scale, I mean, I don't know whether you can class that as a cup and handle. I would like to, but
I would like to as well. I would like to as well. I would like to as well. That's why I immediately saw.
Yeah, I mean,
Like,
personally,
even before you said that.
I'd like to see a lot of volume of a weekly close above this, but we haven't seen any volume yet. I mean, the volume has been pants compared to this coming up here. So if we can get a weekly close with some decent volume, then I think people's food prices and that are going to be shooting up again, and no one's going to be liking that.
No one likes that, mate.
The other ones I was looking at, so I know Michael's mentioned Roblox a couple of times.
Yeah.
Look where that is.
9%.
Yeah, it's gone. It's done 9% in the past 7 days, and my
Yeah.
boy got in at the absolute bottom.
Yeah, down in 25.
Yep, 25.
Yeah, going to 25.
43.
25.43.
Nice. I mean, the other ones I keep looking at is obviously since the game has been gone on is John Deere and then Unity as well. I mean, Unity's below, I think, where Michael was saying he got in.
He knows.
Oh,
so, right. We're gonna have to wrap this up, unfortunately, because someone else has got this has got this studio space. But yeah, guys, this is Alex Codlin's first ever appearance on Blockchain Sensei. Technically speaking, a weekly show dedicated to charts only. Back next week.
See you later, guys.